Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create a digital product from scratch to finish, all with Claude and Canva. Now it's going to be simple. This process is going to be very short, so you can see exactly how you can do it step by step. No fluff, not too many experiments. It's just simple step by step process. And with this process, I've been able to create a lot of digital products for different companies as a digital product consultant. And I also have my own startup, founder of Augusta Digital Consult, where we help you move from just your skill to your product. We help you by validating your product. We tell you the kind of products your audience need. We give you your audience. We tell you the one avatar you're actually talking to, and lots more. So if you want a firm where you can actually check and see the kind of product you need to create, the how to validate it, the audience that you're currently talking to. So if you're struggling with that, you can actually reach out to us for just 5,000 naira. You'll be able to get everything for that little amount, and there's not too many things there. We're going to give you everything that you need for your particular niche. So there's no niche that we're not accepting. We are accepting every niche. So no matter the niche you are in, if you think you cannot create a digital product, all you just have to do is to click on the link on the description right there, and you can speak to us. Just book a section with us, and we'll be right available. So now let's go into the video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to go to Claude. Yeah, I'm going to go to Claude. I'm going to go to a new chat. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to ask Claude and tell Claude to write a full ebook on how to create. So let's go. Right. So we're going to tell Claude to. Right, so we're going to say, hey Claude, I want you to give me a full full digital product guide on how to get remote jobs for stay at home homes. I want this product to be short but transformative. Full stop. It should include sites they can get jobs from, and also how they can teach to prospects. You can add any other thing to it if possible. Do not forget to highlight the pain. Don't worry, it's going to definitely know what I'm talking about. So you do not really need to start correcting. So do not forget to highlight the pain, comma, the outcome that they would get in this product. Alright, so it's going to create the digital product for us right now. So it's reading the skills for dogs to know how to create a Word document. I do not really want it to create a Word document, but I am no, I do not want it to create a. Okay, so I'll copy this again, paste. Do not create this in a document. You can do this in an artifact. Artifact. Enter. Okay. So now, if it was actually going to create it in a document, probably it would take too much time. So now I just want to do it in an artifact so that this is an artifact, so we can just easily copy from here and also put it on Canva. Okay, so this is not actually what I want. But anyways, if it has created it for you by itself, so I'm also giving you something very amazing. But I really want to show you how you can do this on Canva, even without Claude Building by itself. But now I'm showing you, I think now it's an opportunity. So I'm literally showing you two things: how to use Claude to do it, and also how to use Canva to do it. So this is amazing actually. This is a very, 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 very good job. I love this. I love this. I love this a lot. I love this. 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 I promise. I love this. So let's see if we can create this. So let's see the remote job blueprint for stay at home moms. So I love this. So now I'm gonna copy this. Oh, so I'm gonna copy. Yeah. So I'm gonna copy this one by one, I guess. So this is amazing. Trust me. This is damn good. This is damn good. So this is a full digital product. This is a full digital product. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. It even gave bonuses. So you see, if it actually created it for you by itself, it should have been bomb. Let me just use that word. So now this is what's going to happen. So I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to go to Canva. Yeah, and this is how your Canva interface actually is supposed to be. So all we're going to do is to go to templates. We're already in templates. This is templates. And we're going to search for ebooks. Yeah, we're going to search for ebooks. Enter. And now there are a lot of ebooks here. This is crazy. Canva has a lot of ebooks that you can actually model to create the same thing. So let me get my mic up back so you can easily hear me. Alright, so like I said before, I said Canva has a lot of ebooks that you can actually model. This is a lot, it's a lot. Some of them have 10 pages, 9 pages, and all of that. So we're going to model one particular type of I'm going to model one particular type. So let's look for something. So we're going to use this one. I'm going to use this one from idea to income, and we are. Oh, let's look for something else. So we want to look for something that has up to like 5 or like 6 pages. Let's see. Okay, this one's not bad. Um, so let me try this because we're doing something for like stay-at-home moms. So let's try. Right, so okay, this is not bad. I want to just see. So you can actually before you open fully, you can check if it's actually something. This one says 50 poses. Oh, so I don't think I can use this. So let me just ebooks for. Let me try something. Ebooks. Let's try something. There's no harm in trying. I mean, we're creators, right? So ebooks for stay-at-home moms. Stay-at-home moms. So let's try. Hopefully, we get something. Yeah, we got this. So, like Canva has both the free version and the paid version. This is the free version. Actually, my subscription has actually ended, but it still didn't keep me from running this video because with or without the free version, um you can actually make this digital product. So, if I had the free version, the paid version, this is something I would have loved to model. But since we do not have the paid version, so let's just look for something that is free. A lot of them here are actually like paid. A lot of them here are paid, but let's look for a lot of them are paid. They're all on the but let's just search. Let's still search. Yeah. Couldn't find nothing. Oh, just nothing. These people they actually know what they're doing. But let's see. Um Stay at home mom. All these stay at home moms are literally unpaid. Stay at home, stay home healthy. We can actually edit something, but I just want something that has more than one page. This one has just one page. This one has up to 4 pages. So I think I'm getting an idea now. I think I'm getting an idea. We're actually creating together anyways. Yeah, I'm getting an idea. So let's do something. Let's look for something that is actually close and we are going to edit it ourselves from scratch because even all of these ones we're actually supposed to edit. So let me go with this. Let's check out this one. And let's see here if it is something that we can actually edit. I just want something short and show you like the first and second page edit and we're done. So let's see. This one says content. Okay, this is the okay, so it's not bad. Let's customize this. I'm gonna customize this. We already copied the first thing. We already copied this. We already copied this. The remote job looking guide. So we already copied this one. I just want to see how we can actually paste it here and edit. And also, do not forget that we are currently having our digital marketing sales class at the end of June, which only costs 4,000 naira. Where you're going to learn how I make sales and how I made over 1 million naira, not just organically, even with paid ads. And I'm going to show you the things that people are not telling you. So if you want this and you really need it, because a lot of you know how to create digital products, but what you do not know is to actually make sales, and that's where the money is. So I'm going to teach you it for just 4,900 naira. All you have to do is go to the link on the description and book and save a seat for that class. But then again, would actually be selling an ebook, and if you go and click on a link, you may likely see an ebook that would not direct you to the class. Now you're going to be learning how to make sales. We're going to give you a lot of numbers and influencers that you can actually chat and make money from, and we're going to tell you how to do it organically, that you can start making at least two sales every week. That's a promise. So all you have to do is go to the link, or if you cannot find the link on the description, comment the word sales, and I will send you the link immediately. Do not forget to do that. Do not forget. Do not forget, because if you miss it, you'd actually, like, because a lot of you cannot even make one sale in a month, and you're just on the YouTube space looking for people that are making sales, and they will not really explain to you. And the fact that how it works in the Western world is not really how it works here in Nigeria. So there are other things that we do that we use in making these sales, and those are the sales secrets that we're going to tell you in that class. So do well to click on the link and save receipts. That'll be all for now. So alright, so now we're here. This one is like a novel, so we're gonna say don't delete this, don't need that. So we're gonna do delete this. We're gonna delete. I hope you are seeing me. Now we're gonna go to text. I'm gonna say heading here, so you can style it anyways. So you can add styles. Let's say we want to add this style. Let's say we want this style. So you're gonna see that. So this is it. So I think, yeah, it actually didn't load fully. The remote job blueprint. So we're gonna do home moms. Home moms be home moms. This is lovely. This is nice. This is amazing. So you see, we really didn't need to use anything. We didn't need to use any of those. So we just had styles here. So there are a lot of things that you can actually model. So that's it. And like I said, if you want my full guide on how you can edit with Canva, all you just have to do is to um comment the word Canva, and I'll send you the link to get it. It's just 2,000 naira, and it's actually a full video course. But anyways, I'm going to still show you here. So if you don't have that money, you can still learn from this and do some practice yourself, and you're going to get it. This community, you're going to dish out a lot that we can for free as well. We're not keeping a lot of things, because a lot of persons started from where I started, and then I did not have money, so I had to go up on the space and look for a lot of things by myself, which I guess you are doing, and that's why you found yourself here. And that is the reason why I'm doing all of this for you for free as well. So now you can actually write in. Let's say my name is Pretty Girl, for instance. Pretty Girl is my name, and this is the first page of the book. So you can write your content here, you can edit this and write your content here. And the second place, if you do not want this, you can just delete this, you can delete this, you can delete this, delete this. So you can actually start writing. Let's say I copied something, I want it to be here. I'm gonna paste. Okay, so the remote job looking for starter mom. This is not what it's supposed to be anyways, but you can actually just delete everything and come back here, go to Claude, and let's say I want to say this, copy, come here, and so do you see, this is quite a lot, this is quite a lot. So what I'm going to do is to just, okay, so This is not bad, but I don't really like this style. So you edit, and so I can actually make all of this still small. Alright, so you can make all of this bold. You see, yeah, so this is not bad, so you can actually see it properly. So this is not really nice, but okay, let's say we want to put in everything over here. I want to put it here. Let's do it. So you see, this is nice. So let me delete this page. So I'm gonna delete this page. See, I already deleted the page. So does it sound familiar? Blah 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 blah. Now, if I want to add another page, see, you can see add a page, and it will be white. And I'll just come here to Claude, and let's see, I want to copy. So I'm gonna come to the place and paste. So you see, it copied everything. So this is just what I need to do. I just need to shift and adjust. Um, let's see, bring it here. So this one says, so this one says, I'm gonna highlight this one. So this is it. You can edit more. You can edit more, and you can actually edit more. So if you want the text to be in another method, another way, you can actually come to this place and you can change the text. You can change the text. You can put another element. You can put more elements in this place and everything. You can put animation. You can put graphics and all of that. So you can just actually play with this step by step. You can play with it. It will be very, very, very nice. So you see, we already have a good product, and some places just their digital product is just 10 pages or 8 pages, and it's literally not different from what you see here. And they're making money. They're making a lot of money. So and everything that they did was to just replicate what somebody had already done. And the most important thing that I will always say to my students and people that are not my student, but everybody that's on my community is let your digital product be transformative. If your product is transformative, people really do not care about your the color or anything about that. So that's just it for now. And if you have any questions, you can actually drop it on the comment section. If you want us to talk about anything at all about the digital product, make sure to drop it on the comment section. I'll run a video on it quickly and I'll send it to right up on YouTube for you all to see. Thank you so much for the 108 subscribers we currently have. It has been an amazing journey, and I believe that we're going better and bigger to even a million subscribers. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Do not forget to check the link on the description for our different products, and even the ones you can get there for free just in case you do not have money. They will all help you. Bye for now.